Friends, today I'm going to show that how to delete Telegram group. Friends, to delete Telegram group, it's an easy process. So friends, for this, you have to watch the whole video, don't miss anything. And after watching the video, if you like this content, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, open Telegram app. After that, tap on chats and tap on the group which one you want to delete. Just open the group and tap on the name at the top. After that, tap on more and or triple dot, my friends. Then tap on delete group. Again tap on delete. So friends, like this, if you want, you can delete Telegram group. So friends, to delete Telegram group, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful, to please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.